How to get your XM partner code. Now in this video, I'm going to show you the quickest way for you to obtain your XM partner code. Now first is just simply open up your preferred web browser, but on this video, I'm going to be using Google Chrome. So what you want to do is to simply type in partners.xm.com, which is going to be their official site. So once you're here, just simply click on partner types. And then if you scroll down, you should be able to see the inclusions or the features that you will be getting if you would like to become a partner. Now to obtain your code, you simply click on become a partner. And then if you scroll down, you just need to fill out this information here, like your personal details, your address, your contact details, business information, and then your account password. Now take note that the email address that you're going to be using here is valid and still working because that is where your code will be landed. And that's it. That's how you get your XM partner code.